Got a troubleshooting tip I want to share today. This is a VFD. This is your variable frequency drive that controls their three-phase motor. And if you have a drive that is giving you a ground fault or an overload fault, and you did your testing on the motor side, you magged out the motor, you checked the resistance on the coil and the windings, and you can't find anything wrong with the motor, but yet your VFD is still giving you an overload or a ground fault, try doing this. What you want to do is find the output side of your VFD. For instance, these three phases right here, these are the output side going out to load or going out to the motor. Disconnect these three, set them off to the side, and start back up the machine. Start your motor back up, or your VFD back up, I should say. Excuse me. And if your VFD ramps up to speed, or it comes up to speed, and it no longer trips out, it no longer throws that overload or that ground fault or whatever fault it's throwing, then you have just isolated that the problem is within the motor and not the VFD itself. If you're still getting that same fault, then most likely the culprit is the VFD and your motor is fine.